Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we can see that the price of silver from 2008 we have seen a continuous rise. Okay, I'll show you continuous rise. After that what we have seen there, from there we have seen a range bound. Okay, this range bound stays for a longer period, that's from 2013 to 2020. Okay, for 7 years it was in this particular range. After this range breaks upside, we have seen a sharp rise. You can see these two candles, green candles, and from there we have seen again it has come in this particular zone. Okay, and what we have seen that this particular zone got break 2-3 days back, that the low was around 21.412 and this particular candle break this low and made a low of around 20.489. okay, so now now it has gone upside and now made a staying at around a support of 21.077. so what we can see looking at the chart for the next week, see, suppose if this particular trend sustain, that means it has went from 2489 to a level of 21 again. Okay, and this particular support is a strong support, and from there if that's this level sustained, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 21.527. okay, and that level also sustained, then we can see it can touch a level of 22.219. okay, so from there what we can, again I repeat, if this particular level sustained, then we can see it can touch a level of 21.527 and from there we can see a level of 21.758. suppose if the price sustain this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 22.103 and this level is already being tested here, so probability will be high. We can see it can go further upside towards a level of 23.141. okay, again this level is already being a weakened resistance. If we look at from the point of view, if it goes upside, okay, we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 24.870. okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what we can see now, again if we look at the chart, okay, if it goes off this level, then we can see a level of 21.527 and from there we can see a level of 23.141. okay, and this particular level sustained, then we can see a level 23.487 and once this price goes upside, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 24.755. okay, and this level is already being tested, so probability will be high. We can see a level of 25.447. suppose the price sustain this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 26.485. okay, and now if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can go further upside. But suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, what we can see, if the price didn't sustain this level, before that if you have any doubt regarding silver, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I've given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in silver and other commodities are working, even forex, and you can join my Telegram channel, also link in the description. See, now suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, we can see it can come down again, but a strong support. If that level didn't sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of 20.707. okay, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 20.267 and from there we can see it can come down to a level of 19.567. okay, and suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 19.036. again I repeat, if the price didn't sustain this level, we can see it can come down to a level of 20.795 and if that level goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 20.179. suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 19.388. from there we can see it can touch a level of 18.948. suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 18.684 and from there we can see it can touch a level of 18.244. suppose if the price goes below this level, more below this level, then we can see a level of 17.549. so keep this in mind. If the price then sustain this particular support, we can see it can go further down. okay, now understand something. If you are trading, investing, consult the financial advisor, then only trade and invest. okay, now if you are trading is risky, you have to understand something. okay, what I teach in my workshop, I'll teach you some points here. Suppose if you are trading with $10,000 and what you should be doing, you should do that. Try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. Okay, that's around 1000 to 1500. Okay, and risk should be 0.5 to 1% of this particular amount, that is around $50 to $100. Okay, so now suppose if you trade 5 times, you know your risk is $500. So if you lose all these 5 trades, your risk will be 500. Then you can stop the trades for the day. Okay, now the next day, what you can focus on profit rather than recovering this amount. What people do is that they lose. Suppose if your capital is 10,000, they lose 5,000, and now the next day what they do is they try to recover this amount. What would happen then? In order to recover this amount, they lose their full capital. This is what I teach in my workshop. If you want to attend my workshop, you can mail me regarding this, and then we can work out on the timings. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.